Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka ISRS Shillong chapter haringkat ka jingitrelang batkatna Geography and IQAC St. Edmund'S College ISG Shillong chapter bat ka IMS Shillong chapter. Kalapendong ya ka program ban Rakhe ya ka National Remote Sensing Day minha ka pratarik unailar arhajar apusan. Lasdang ya ka program da ka jing tebe jing syai umpnyang. Batlapan ya daw Professor Gideon Karkongor but sa ka jing petko puram ya ki kongsan da ki momentos ki shawl bat ki rocket model. Labut da ka jing kren penyang sobha dai Dr. Dipyai Jyoti Chutia, Secretary ka ISRS Shillong chapter, bat layo rui ka jingkren na ukongsan ha kani ka program daw Dr. SP Agarwal, u Director ka NESAC, bat ru bade National President jong ka ISRS, bat layo ka jingkren ru na usembot kongsan, u brother Sunil Brito, u Principal in charge of jong ka St. Edmund'S College. Layo rui ka jingrai tenrai kerpang nakikena St. Edmund'S College bat balapini po ipieng susu ya kane ka program. Laple perda ya ka jing Rakhe ya ka National Remote Sensing Day da ukongsan jong ka te kapor. Bat buot da ka jing kren ba ay mensim bat sngow sarong ya ka jing la kari India ban kintiu ha ka kam space exploration lapin kot ya ka inaugural program da ka jing kren ay kublay dai Dr. Rakhe Gogoi na kalyang ka NESAC bat board daga college anthem. Kani ka program kamsham lakan thop tang ya ka nam jongkari India balanang kiyo ha kalyang ka space exploration bat ru kalaktik ya ka mensim berkajing mojing berkat jong ki khna ki badan ha ka te ka sngi ban no asanyang lem ha ka jing thumu jongkari ban nang kham penjanai shushu ha kani ka kam. Ha kani ka program ka board sa ka technical session. Layo ka jing batay banya halor kapang unleashing the potential of UAV technology for societal benefit. Dau Dr. DR Victor Saikom, u scientist ka NESAC, but sa kajingkran dau Dr. KK Sharma, u Vice President ka ISRS Shillong. Halor kapang geospatial ecosystem advancement, transforming reforestation surveillance and reforestation strategies. Kajingkran khaddo layo na Professor Sunil Kumar na katana Geography jong ka Nehu u President ka International Association of Geomorphologists u President ka ISRS ka Shillong chapter. Balabatay banya halor kapang professional opportunities and future prospects in geospatial science. Ban pinsong thu halor kilat yo akam ha kabenta jong ka geospatial science. Layo ban ay sobha ya kiniki laingot kinong ay jingkren ha kate kasngi but board da ka inter-college quiz competition halor kapang space technology but ya ka nam la do layo ban kur da ka St. Anthony's College ha ka kerdan ka baar layo da ka St. Edmund'S High Secondary School but ha ka kerdan ka balay layo ban ra da ka St. Edmund'S College. Lapin kot ya kani ka jing Rakhe ya ka te kasngi da ka jingkren ay kublay dai Professor Mark J. Fort u head jong ka Department of Geography ka St. Edmund'S College.
Process the data, okay, whether you talk about the still photographs or whether you talk about the videos, you can process the data and can generate the 3D models out of that. And you can have a bird-eye view of that entire area sitting in the lab. Alright, so those are the deliverables. Apart from that, additionally, what do we have here is, we have this, this one, a textured 3D point clouds. Maybe the data will be collecting, okay? This one, okay. So this basically addresses about This basically addresses about the flight line, how the UAV flies, and then it collects data. When it collects data, it collects in two ways. One is series of still photographs, another one is a video one. Okay, series of still photographs. What do we do with that? Is we do the processing of those series of still photographs and we generate other derivatives of that. Okay. That will be coming in the next slide. And additionally, we can also gather the videos and then can relay the real time
report before the actually Council and Governing Board meeting in Kolkata. This time it will happen in Kolkata. And there these photographs of the college will come, and on his name will come, it will be highlighted there before the audience of the entire country. So congratulations and congratulations. Now time is very limited, but I will take this liberty from the organizers that I will speak a little bit more, because I thought this opportunity where I will